We got Lumple Skillskin over here.
I should just wore a thong if you was gonna expose my booty like that, girl. I didn't know we was gonna be that acquainted.
Tell me you'll never wanna lose me. Tell me you'll never wanna lose me.
Hey y'all, so happy you answered my phone call today for today's FaceTime vlog. Your girl's about to go get her wisdom teeth pulled, and I feel like I'm not being a responsible adult, because considering this is my last meal, why is it about to be a banana? I should have woke up and made myself a really good breakfast. But anyways, I'm about to drink my last can of pineapple juice. So hopefully we don't have no swelling in the face after this, because I don't want to look like a chipmunk. My appointment is literally in 15 minutes, because it's 10:15 and it's at 10:30. So finna scarf this down and chug this pineapple juice and pray and leave it up to God, okay? I feel like I'll be fine. I kind of gotta talk myself down, because I don't know why I'm starting to feel anxious. I wasn't even worried about this all last night or all yesterday. Probably because I had other things on my mind, but yeah. Cheers. We're here, guys. I'm nervous, but I'm excited. Okay, you guys, I'm here. Let's get into the before. Okay. I'm so nervous. This braid came out cute too, but y'all, let us pray my after isn't too crazy, okay? Because I'm not trying to look like a chipmunk. Okay, so this is the before. Real cutesy, real slim in the face. Let's get into the after.
There's our superstar. You don't got that much swelling. Day 3. We got Lumple Skillskin over here, aka the Lumpy Princess. Queen of the lumps.
Play too much. It's not funny.
She been running from the ice all weekend.
What is this setup you have me in?
It's a little makeshift, hoodie and ice pack combo.
It's very cold.
You'll be fine.
It's armed with spotlights, an ultra-high definition camera, and a mechanical arm for collecting samples.
Hey friend, your girl actually has some energy and can come to the camera and talk to you guys face to face now that I'm not as high as I have been for the past couple of days. I'm about to basically give y'all a recap, and you're about to see me get ready because I'm about to leave out. But before we get into where I'm headed, let's discuss my wisdom teeth removal process, girl, because it was a lot. So basically, on the 13th of December, I decided to get all 3 of my wisdom teeth pulled, and I got my cavities refilled. So I don't know if y'all know, but if you had cavities growing up as a child, they filled it up with this silver cap looking stuff that looks ugly. I had them dig all of those old cavity fillings out, refill them, because now they've upgraded their medical stuff, girl, I don't know what to call it, and now the filling is actually white or ivory. Basically whatever it is, it matches the color of your teeth, and I love that. So I was like, yeah, sign me up, Bookie. So they redid 4 of my fillings, and they did that first, and that was a breeze. That was easy. That was easy breezy beautiful. What I thought was easy breezy beautiful. Then when it came to them taking out them wisdom teeth, girl, y'all know I have 3. I was born with 3. I don't know why, but I was missing 1. I was missing one on my left side. So he did the top right first. And when he did the top right, it was fine and dandy. It basically came out super easy because it was basically ready to come out. And all of my wisdom teeth were growing in sideways, but that one was kind of slanted. It wasn't fully sideways. So he was able to knock that one out pretty easily. Boom. He moved down to my bottom right, and that's the one that took the most time. He injected my mouth with so much numbing to the point where he had to keep taking breaks so the numbing can actually start working. And I was going through it, girl. I couldn't feel anything. My lips, my cheeks, my jaw, my chin. I couldn't feel anything. You would think that that's a good thing because you don't want to feel the pain of him actually cutting into my gums, because they was growing in underneath my gums sideways. So of course I don't want to feel him like cutting and pulling out teeth and all that good stuff. But I'm gonna tell you why those numbing injections ended up messing me up later down the line. So boom, he did this one, and this one came out fine. This one was basically his guinea pig, so he kind of knew what to do when it came to this side. So boom, when they sent me home, y'all, they did not put in my prescriptions on time. So y'all know my boyfriend here, he was pissed because I was basically starting to like feel the numbing agent wear off, and I was starting to feel all that pain. Girl, I was in here damn near about to cry, friend. It was so sticking painful. I don't know why they didn't do it on time. Basically, they were supposed to have my prescriptions at my local CVS basically damn near right, but they should have did that even before I left the office, so we could just go pull up to the nearest CVS, pick up my prescription and stuff. Boom. That is not how it happened. I was at home for hours until they had my prescription filled. My boyfriend was calling them every 10 minutes on a dot. Like, I really thank him. He is really that nigga. Cause like, he wasn't playing about me. Like, he wasn't playing about me. He was like, so is there any way that you can, like, instead of faxing it to the CVS, can you print out a paper? I'll come pick it up, sign it so I can go pick up her prescription. Or can you put CVS on 3-way so I can hear the conversation? Like, he was trying to do whatever he could so I could get my prescription, because there's no way in hell they should have had anybody feeling the pain that I was feeling without no prescriptions. So that first day was hell. So when I ended up getting my prescriptions, they gave me a couple of things. An antibiotic. They gave me hydrocodone. Codeine, crazy. I don't even know if that's that actual drug, girl. I don't know nothing about drugs. They gave me Xanax, and they gave me ibuprofen, but they gave me 800 milligrams of ibuprofen. If you normally take ibuprofen, you know that that's an insane amount. So when I tell y'all I was in here high as a kite, I literally was in here high off my ass. Like, and as soon as the medications, like the prescriptions will wear off, I will feel a ton of pain. Like, I don't even have enemies in this world, but if I did, I won't wish that pain on anybody. So let me tell you the two things that he messed up at. When he filled in my cavities, he overfilled my teeth to the point where my teeth were combined. I'm so serious. Like, girl, I couldn't floss. He filled in the gaps in between my teeth on my right side, the top and bottom. What the fuck? It's like, I could not get in between my teeth. I could not floss. Are you dumb? Are you okay? Is everything all right? So basically today is December the 20th, and I went in for my follow-up appointment. And I'm like, yeah, homeboy, you basically filled my teeth in so much to the point where I couldn't floss. And when I was attempting to floss, I bruised my gum on the top right side, and I basically gave myself an ulcer, which is like a really small sore. And that was adding to the pain, because I'm like, damn, if you don't, first off, if you don't floss, girl, you need to start flossing, because that's not cute. You need to floss. Flossing is so important. So he was like, oh my God, I'm sorry. I admit I should have polished in between your teeth. Basically, think of like a really tiny nail file, and they put it in between your teeth after they do the filling, so you can actually get in between your teeth, girl. He didn't polish my teeth. Like, are you okay? So he did that today, and now he actually flossed. He was like, I'm glad that you attempted to floss, but I'm sorry, that is my bad. I should have polished your teeth. So boom. Y'all, tell me why I have a knot on my jaw. I don't know. You probably can't see it, but I have a visible knot in person. It's very visible on my jaw, and it hurt. I can't sleep on my right side. If I touch it, it's painful. And basically, it's his fault too. When he gave me so much numbing with the needle, he basically bruised. He literally said this: I bruised and abused your muscle, and your muscle has tensed up, and your muscle has developed a knot, and it's gonna wear off over time. So he done filled my teeth up too much, and he gave me a fucking knot. This is too much, girl. This is too much. So basically, for the last week, I've just been in a very high state because I've been under so much pain. Oh, and mind you, I still got my two bottom wisdom teeth are still in my mouth. He basically had to cut them, so he couldn't take the whole thing out because they were sitting too close to my nerve. So my healing process has been super easy. It's just the shit that he did to fuck me up. 10 out of 10 do not recommend. This process was horrible, and now I feel like I need to give myself a little treat because I've been a thug. I've been a G. I've been handling this to the best of my abilities, girl. So now I'm about to go get ready and go to a massage. So, I don't know if you know this, but I am a class pass girl. And if you are a class pass girl as well, you can, I know I put a lot of layers on to smell good, girl, sorry. But if you're a class pass girly, you can get massages, you can get facials, you can get everything, girl. And since I haven't been going to any of my bar classes, Pilates classes, hot yoga classes, I have too many credits, and they don't roll over to the next renewal cycle. Yeah, you basically got to use them or lose them. So I went ahead and set up to have a massage because I deserve. I'm hoping that, you know, I could just take another ibuprofen, and I'm kind of scared to drive just because I've been so stinking drowsy. So I took a Uber to my dentist appointment this morning, and I think I'm going to do the same when I go to my massage. It's only 10 minutes away, but I'm just nervous. I haven't ate a lot today just because I don't have an appetite. All I had was yogurt, and that's actually it. I'm about to eat a banana. I don't like having a full stomach when I go get massages anyways, because half the time you're laying on your stomach, and my biggest fear is farting in front of a masseuse. So yeah, TMI, but yeah, girl, I think I'm just gonna have a little banana. And see, did you just see that? I just leaned over on my own. Hell no, I'm not driving.
In 100 feet, turn left, then turn right. Turn right, then arrive at the drop-off.
We're here. Oh my god, y'all. I hope you can hear me, girl, because the heat is on. It's cold as a bitch outside. But I just got back from my massage. I forgot that I got a deep tissue hot stone massage. So when I was circling on the paper, you know, what kind of pressure I wanted applied and my tense areas and whatnot, I probably should have said light instead of medium, because when I tell you that lady just dug into my whole entire body, soul, and more, she really got up in there. But 10 out of 10 would recommend, okay? I went to like a aromatherapy massage, skin and care, or something like that. If you in the Alexandria area, it look a little sketchy, but she was really good and really nice. I tipped her because I did it through ClassPass, so I technically didn't have to pay anything. I just used 48 credits, which is a lot. But since I didn't do much activity at all throughout the month of October. Why the fuck am I saying October? I just took some hydrocodone, girl. My bad, I'm a little loopy. But I haven't done a lot of activities through December, so I was either gonna have to use my credits or lose my credits because all of them don't roll over. Yeah, I think I already said this earlier, but yeah, girl, I used 48 credits and I tipped her $25, and it was an amazing massage. It wasn't the best massage I ever had. Nothing will top the couples massage I got with my best friend in Cancun, girl. Ain't nothing gonna top that one. That shit was chef's kiss. But this one was really good, and I really enjoyed the hot stones. I will say that. That was fire. She was a little touchy-feely, girl. I should have wore a thong, because the way she was pulling my underwear down and putting my underwear all in my crack and crevices, I should have just wore a thong if you was going to expose my booty like that, girl. I didn't know we was going to be that acquainted. And, she was all on the side, boobs and stuff. I'm like, if you want to marry me, just say that. When she was massaging my hand, she was like, you know, massaging it and rubbing it, and then she would interlock our fingers. Girl, if you're into me, just say that. Say no. I'm just playing. I got some pho sitting on my stove. It's warming up right now. I had the best boyfriend in the world yesterday or the other day, whatever day that was. He literally texted my best friend and was like, hey, when you get a chance, can you, like, go take Tara some food and go sit with her and make sure she eat, make sure she good, because y'all know he in Philly. And that is so nice. And my best friend is the best too, because she actually did it. I love her. So he sent her like my favorite pho order, and I had only ate like half of it the other day. So I'm about to crack that down. Okay, I done took my medicine. I'm about to eat, watch some Netflix, and go to sleep. Okay, if you want something really good to watch on Netflix, you need to watch The Ultimatum South Africa, or you need to watch the newest season of The Ultimatum, really good. Or you need to watch Crossed on Prime Video. Already finished that. And if you haven't watched Bridgerton and Queen Charlotte, you're missing it. I got my man watching all this stuff right now with me. Can't wait till he get home. We have like Netflix dates on the phone, and we watch a show together because we're in a long distance relationship. But anyways, that's really all that this vlog entailed. It just was a lot of me chattering with y'all. That's really how these like FaceTime vlogs are gonna go, because I just want them to be real chill and talkative, so y'all can like get to know what be up here and get a little bit more insight into my life when it's not just the glitz and glams, and it's not a travel vlog, or it's not like an important activity or a birthday vlog, you know, like some regular chill stuff that you can like actually relate to. So yeah, if you liked it, give me a like, girl. Comment down below. I want to chit chat with y'all, and let me know what to film in the future. Okay, I'll see y'all next time. Bye, mamas. Mwah.